Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to take some interesting IQ test. The first test is: use only 3 straight lines to connect all 4 dots and the line's starting point and ending point should be same. Your time start now. The answer is the second test is: move only 2 matches and make the coin outside, without modifying the shape of matches. Your time start now. The answer is the third test is: if you multiply all the number in the mobile dial pad, what will be your answer? Your time start now. The answer is 0. Reason: anything multiplied by 0 is 0. The fourth test is: move 1 matchstick to make the equation true. Your time start now. The answer is the fifth test is: move 2 coins to make 10 lines of coin. Each line should have 3 coins. Your time start now. The answer is the sixth test is: move only 4 matchsticks and form 3 squares. Your time start now. The answer is the seventh test is: the sum of father age and daughter age is 66. The daughter's age is reverse of father's age. Find out the father and daughter age. Your time start now. The answer is there are 3 possible solutions for this question. First possible solution is father age, 51, daughter age, 15. Second possible solution is father age, 42, daughter age, 24. Third possible solution is father age, 60, daughter age, 06. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more video like this, like, share, and subscribe.